Okay guys, so here I want to show you how to book a wash from the client and the partner app, okay? So first is we're going to go ahead and go through and book a wash, okay? To explain everything that's going on the client app, there's a couple features here. This is where the client can change their name. They can, see their bookings, their upcoming bookings and past bookings. They can go through and change the payment method, change their card. This is where they actually can add money to their wallet if they wanted to purchase more washes. They can invite friends here by inviting this code. They can send it off to their friends or family. I would highly recommend you get them to do that. But let's go ahead and just book a wash. So let's say that, right now they're just looking for someone to do their car. We're going to go with me for right now. And here's a list of all the additional services. These are all the services that are available for me, iSmart Wash. Sometimes, if you wanted to only do details and you didn't want to do $47 washes, then you could say, hey, I'm only going to do details. And this would only show the detail. So how you can authorize that is by going through here and going managing services, and you can actually manage which services you want to have on and which ones you don't want to have on. Okay. So for this example, we're just going to go ahead and book this. You can add the client can add special things like cars and driveway. Okay. They go ahead and check out. They can add a promo code if they want to. The card's already on file. They can edit the location if they want to go to their home and they want to go there anywhere else. They can add, different locations. Then now the book now feature is related to this. So if this is off, you'll notice that the book now is gone. Okay, so the book later is based upon your partner or your own personal calendar. So the book later, they're only gonna be able to choose these times that are available, okay? So it's important to have your schedule listed so that way they can book you at a later date. Now, if you want to always have this on, that's fine, but just be sure that, you're available, because if you're not, then you're gonna lose bookings. So what I mean by that is, let's say it's on right now, okay? You have it on. Go back and the customer is looking for you, and now you got book now feature. So let's go ahead and do it. So now you have an instant message. It's kind of like, an instant wash. They want it car wash and they want it now. So you're only going to have 34 seconds to respond. You can review the services, you can review the location, all these different things, but you can accept and decline it. Okay, now let's just go ahead and accept it just to show you the wash process. If it's a later date, it'll have a later date and you have to accept that later date. Okay, let's just say you're just sitting there waiting to get going. You're hungry, you want to make money, you're tired of working a job, you want to work for yourself. Boom. Now, here you have a couple different options. Now you can navigate yourself out of this. We're not going to do that here, but you can actually navigate to and get Google Maps direction to the address. I said, the customer requested this address here, and I can navigate there. Now, over on the client side, pop this open, ongoing jobs, they can actually see what's going on. All right, so a few details, they can see what's going on. Provider accepted a job request. It's giving you a list of notifications that the partner has sent to the customer. So now let's say I arrived. Are you sure you have arrived at this location? Yes, I have. It says basically partner has arrived. Cool. Now it has a timer, right? Job timer, like how long did it take for you to get the car done? It's kind of cool. That's a really cool feature. So provider has arrived at your location, so that way you know. Now they're gonna wanna contact them. So what are they gonna do? They're probably gonna go up here and they're probably gonna go message, like, hey, where are you? So here, this is the customer saying, hey, where are you? And the customer goes, I'm here. And you're like, cool. Meet me out front. You got it. There you go. Now they can see whatever they want, right? So customer can always go through here and message, call, see requested services, cancel it, whatever they want. Now you're going here, and now because you got the keys now and you're good to go with the car, you're gonna slide to begin. And you're gonna take a picture of the car because it's good fun, like me. If you don't like the picture, retake it. Let's use that one. Now, your job has started. So it's messaging the client saying, hey dude, you just took a picture of my face and you're ready to go. Now you got a timer, which is great, right? When you're done, you go open back up the app, right? Say that, for example, let's say that, you close the app. You go back into the app. You're washing a car, so now you're opening it up to let them know, hey dude, I'm all done. Slide to end. Take a picture of the new car. It's all fancy. Instead, you're going to come over here. Oh, I made it. Just kidding. Really close though. All right. Boom. Took a picture of the car before, after. You can even apply a discount if you want. $20 off. Why? Because they're a part of the club. Boom. Or actually, no, I was adding a charge. $20 off. Boom. Negative. Doesn't even work. I'm just gonna put 0.50 because I'm cheap. I'm like, you know what? I don't want to pay a full dollar. All right. So you can give them a discount at this point in time if you wanted to, or you could just say a complete service, right? So submit. So now it's telling the customer, hey dude, I finished up your car. And you are saying here, these are all the percentages, you can review everything, and you're gonna collect payment from customer. And you're gonna rate them, say they did a great job. Current job is completed, fantastic. So you are done here. On the client side, it's just notifying them, say, hey, your job's been completed. How was your job? Tim is awesome. There we go. 5 stars. Shows all the fare details, any discounts that were applied. Boom, submit. There we go. Now, the client can now see the bookings, the past bookings, which was today at 5:05. This one was just now. And they can see my pictures here. They can go through and they see the car before and after. I'm really good at basketball. Not really. All right. Fantastic. Even get a receipt. Maybe they want to keep records of all of the transactions so they can write it off. Oh, looks like that. Looks like a receipt has been emailed to me. Look at that. Boom, there's my receipt, 52 cents. And it's got my pictures in it. Look at that. Nice. So, let's go back to the other partner app. Now you got here, you can actually see your jobs. Upcoming, past, let's go past. Go today, boom, I earned 50 cents. Baller. And let's go over here to trip statistics and can go through and you can see today's earnings if you really wanted to. Okay, cool. Now that's pretty much it, guys. So other than that, that's essentially the gist of it. We're gonna have a meeting here soon talking about it. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me. And other than that, I think that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions or you want more information about this, reach out, we can talk about it. We're gonna make some modifications, we're gonna make some changes to the application moving forward. Lots of things we wanna add to it, like the iSmart Academy. We wanna add the iSmart store so you can order materials and supplies. But this is a great start, guys, and it does function, it does work. Recommend it to people. Make sure you have this changed, actually. Very, very important that you have these things changed right here. When you're going through and you have your radius, the reason why they always see me is because my radius is there, right? So enter radius per value miles. Maybe I want to be 50 miles. Boom, I'm gonna travel 50 miles to make sure that I can get my cars. I don't recommend it, but that radius, if a customer books, they're gonna see me and they're not gonna see anyone else because the radius is there. So always change the radius. Change this, allow service at your location. Make sure to have at least up to 20 miles, do other or 10 miles or something, so that way people can see it. And you want to ensure also that your services are all checked so that way they can, if your services aren't checked, it's not gonna show you. If they book a pet hair removal, but your service is not checked here, they're not gonna see you when they book the pet hair removal. They're gonna find a provider that does have pet removal. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like, change those things, make sure your services are added on, make sure your radius is on. You can edit your profile, change your imagery. I would recommend just using the iSmart logo. If you have it, you can always screenshot it, tweak it, do whatever you want here, go to your images, find everything.